Now, one thing you're going to want to check, and this is why I wanted to roll up and show you. Now, if you notice, this is bare metal. There are no conical gaskets here whatsoever. So that means that the silver conical gaskets that go between these two pieces are still on the other mid pipe. So we're going to want to go over and take those out. So before I hang the mid pipe, I'll show you what they look like. But this is something you want to check because they'll frequently come out with the mid pipe. So go ahead and double check on those. Sometimes they stay behind, sometimes they don't. So we're going to get the conical gaskets on, 1 and 2 here, and then you're going to take the mid pipe back up, hang it over those posts, and then put these hangers into place, and then your mid pipe will hang perfectly, and then we'll get our ABs hung. The non-resonated mid pipe has been hung. Now, and again, keep in mind, we're going to do comparison videos of both the non-resonated and resonated. I'm not going to show installing it twice because it's the exact same process. So I'm going to show you the install process, and then at the end of the video, I'll have sound comparisons between the two. But since the install process is the same, I'm not going to do it twice on camera. So this is hung up really nicely. I've got the upper hanger set here, though the bolts are still a little bit loose right now with those E10s, because what I wanted to do was give this enough ability to shift forward and back a little bit as I tighten down these 11mm nuts here at the top. Now, quick side note here. If you look in the video description, I will have the part numbers for the gaskets and these nuts. The gaskets themselves can be a little bit beat up. I mentioned how they were stuck behind in the other mid pipe. I got them out, but they're a little beat up. And so I would recommend, in most cases, replacing them while you're here.